Hi guys, welcome to Arithmetic Clinic. Today I saw a question somewhere. I saw this question. This. I saw this question. This minus this is equals to this. And we have solved a question similar on the channel, so you can try this out also yourself. So the first thing to do is to divide through by what? 4x, 4 raised to the power x, divide through by 4 raised to the power x, divide by 4 raised to the power x. Now by the time we do that, we see that we observe that this is going to be what? 9 over 4 raised to the power x minus what? 6 over 4 raised to the power x is equals to what? 1. Now 2 here 3, 2 here 2. Now 9 is a perfect square, 4 is a perfect square, so this is 3 raised to the power 2 over 2 raised to the power 2 x minus 3 over 2 x is equals to 1. So both of them have the same power, so we say that 3 over 2 raised to the power 2x minus 3 over 2 raised to the power x is equals to 1. So for us to simplify the problem, we say that what? Let p be equals to 3 over 2 raised to the power x. So this we simplify our problem to become p squared minus p is equals to 1. So we are arranging this. We have p squared minus p minus 1 is equals to what? 0. So this question is now a quadratic equation, and this quadratic equation cannot be what? Factorized. So the best method is to apply the what? Formula method. Now on our channel we already have done a lecture on formula method. You can go over it for further understanding. Now a is the coefficient of the quadratic function, which is p squared, and the coefficient of p squared is 1. B is the coefficient of the linear function, which is p, which is going to be what? Minus 1. And c is the last constant, which is what? Minus 1. Our formula is minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So this is going to give us what? This is going to give us minus b, so that is minus 1 plus or minus square root of minus 1 square minus 4 times 1 times minus 1 all over 2 times 1. So minus is going to cancel itself, so this is going to be 1 plus or minus square root of minus 1 square is going to give us 1 minus 4 times 1 times minus 1 will give us plus 4 all over 2. So we now have this to be 1 plus root 4 okay, so this is 5. 1 plus or minus what? Root 5 over 2. And remember, this is what? The value for what? P. Now, so we have it to be P is equals to 1 plus or minus root 5 all over 2. Okay, so we now have it to be this way. P is equals to 1 plus root 5 over 2, or 1 minus what? Root 5 all over 2. So getting our calculator, so we have 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. So we have this to be so 6 decimal place. Let's go to 7 decimal place. Okay, let's say 4. So we have this to be P is equals to 1.618, or solving the same thing. So we have 1 minus root 5 divided equals to divided by 2. So we have what? Minus 0.618. Now by the time we have done with this, we remember that what? Our p is equals to 3 over 2 raised to the power x. So it means that what? 3 over 2 raised to the power x is equal to what? 1.618, or 3 over 2 raised to power x is equals to minus what? Minus 0.618. Now, it is not possible for us to have a power raised to power any number for us to get what? Negative in indices. So this is cancelled because it is not possible for us to get a value, a real number that you raise to power this to give us a negative number. So this is practically not possible. So now we come to focus on this side. 1.618. It is also difficult for us to write this ratio, just like you know that 64, or let's say 32 is equals to 2 raised to power 5. So it is also impossible for us to be able to look at this number here and determine what it will be raised to, what 3 over 2 will be raised to give us this. So what we just do is that we apply logarithm to both sides. So it's now be log 3 over 2x is equals to what? Log 1.618. So we bring this, according to the law of logarithm, we bring this x to the front. So it will be x log 3 over 2 is equals to log 1.618. Divide both sides by log 3 over 2. Log 3 over 2. Cancel. So our x is going to give us log 1.618 divided by log, let's say 3 divided by 2, which is actually 1.5. So our answer is going to be what? X is equals to 1.1868. So this is the value of what? X. So thank you very much for the video. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you. Ta-da!